Hey everybody, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan a Bitcoin QR code using Coinbase. If someone is sending you Bitcoin or requesting a payment, scanning a QR code makes the process much faster and eliminates the risk of mistyping wallet addresses. This video is going to be very useful for anyone using Coinbase who wants to send or receive Bitcoin quickly using QR codes. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end and learn how to scan Bitcoin QR codes on Coinbase. So first things first is you're going to want to locate the Coinbase app. You can do this by just scrolling through your apps on your homepage or scrolling down, typing in Coinbase, and it should pop right up. Now, once your Coinbase is up, in order to scan a QR code on Coinbase, you're going to want to go over to transfer. Now, whenever transfer gets here, hit receive crypto or send crypto rather, because we're trying to, scan a code to actually send it. So we're going to hit the send crypto button. Now, what you'll see at the top is this little square, this little outline, if you will. Now, click on that and it will bring up a camera. And now all you do is just scan the QR code of whoever you're trying to send your Bitcoin to. It'll pull up their it'll pull up their address, and boom, just like that, you can send over however much Bitcoin you want in literally the blink of an eye in a split second. Now that we have the tutorial out of the way, here are some important tips that you should think about in the future. Tip number 1 is to always double check the amount and the recipient address before confirming any transaction. Second tip is to remember that QR codes are only valid for Bitcoin. So if you're dealing with another cryptocurrency, make sure you're using the correct wallet. And my third and final tip for this video is transactions are irreversible. So please make sure the details are correct before sending any amount of Bitcoin. And there you have it, the tutorial, some tips. You'll be scanning QR codes in a breeze now. But yeah, if you did find this tutorial helpful, please be sure to drop a like. Also be sure to share this tutorial with a family member, a friend, or anyone you think could, gain something out of it. And most importantly of all, be sure to subscribe for more future tutorials, as we're constantly doing tutorials on this channel. But with all that said, I hope you guys have a great day, and peace.